Welcome to our quick guide on deleting your Spotify account permanently. Let's get started. First, log into your Spotify account on a web browser. This process can't be done through the app. Navigate to your account page by clicking Profile and then selecting Account from the drop-down. Scroll down and find the Close Your Account option. Click on it to proceed. You'll see important information regarding account closure. Read through this before continuing. Finally, confirm by clicking the Yes, Close My Account button. Your account will be deleted permanently. Remember, once deleted, you won't be able to recover your playlists or data. Consider downloading your data before taking this step for future reference. And that's it. Enjoy your newfound freedom from Spotify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or feedback. See you next time for more helpful tips and guides.